Hello, it's KuHa's Mikko here. Couple of previous films have been from races and the season is almost over, so I decided to make a do-it-yourself video for a change. Weather is terrible for no nth day in a row. It's raining, so don't feel like riding today. So here's 12 easy to make hacks for your bike. Enjoy. Some of us like a short clutch lever, so here's how to make one. Just cut from the king point of the lever and drill a hole in it. And wind some copper cable to make the ball. Make it tight. And some soldering with tin to keep it on place. You really need quite a lot of tin to make a decent ball from the copper wire. Beware not to set yourself on fire. And it's hot, so don't burn your fingers. Cut the excessive off. Some protection for the vise. And some heavy filing. And some more. So the tin keeps the ball intact, and you should file the backside away mostly from the lever, so it doesn't need the ball in the inside. And then some self-shrinking cable wrap. Don't know what it is in English, but you get the idea. And some flame again. But not too much. And press the end a bit so that it's nice and there's nothing sharp in it. And that's the complete piece. Sometimes you want to adjust the high speed compression damping fast. So here's a device to do it. You need some like 4mm thick aluminum sheet. Draw something that you're going to make. So the outlines of the lever, and use 70mm knot to draw the outlines of a hole you'll be making shortly. Mark the center with a punch. Machines are for sissies. Then the hole and 60mm hole. And after that you just file the corners out so that this 10mm knot fits snugly in the hole. Bit more filing. Some people use machines, but the aluminium sticks in every grinding wheel, so it's easier to file. It's soft material, so doesn't take that lot of effort. A bit from there and there. Yeah, I really do like to file those things. I need something like 2mm small screw and make the punch mark and a small hole that suits the screw. And just turn the screw right in. You don't need to tap it because the aluminum is so soft. It makes the thread as it goes. So this is the screw that locks the thing into place. A bit sanding to make it nice. You could paint it orange, of course, but it's not mandatory. This is the only real use for that monkey wrench bending stuff. And there it is, all done. So this is how to prevent from ripping your handlebar ends every time you drop the bike. Just put some handlebar weights at the top of the handlebars. And here's a way not to take the whole planet with you if you're using that kind of exhaust shield. So make a plastic shield so the mud won't fill the gap between the engine and the weight. Here's how to protect your exhaust. It's made from rubber hose and a clamp. This is the tool everyone should have. And it's always with you. So there's 8 and 10mm heads. A Torx driver to air the front and flat screwdriver to adjust the suspension. And it's always with you. Too bad you can't get them from anywhere at the moment. Mark the positions of your levers so it's faster to turn them back after a crash. Write up your clicker settings so you won't forget what was the good setting that you used before adjusting your bike. It's easier to squeeze the chain plate into place with this little vise. Get the idea. Wax your glasses for rainy days. Wax your goggles with any non-grinding car wax. And the last one, get a cheap gas heater for your van for the winter. Keep warm and even warm your next meal. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.